This video will talk about brake repairs on wheelchairs, companion chairs, rollators, walkers, whatever. So I have many years experience with this because I have a 43-year-old son and he relies on this equipment. So a few key things. If these things are being used for outdoor use, they will wear down over time, but we're getting 2 to 3 years out of each one of these. In any event, what a lot of people think is you need someone who's experienced with wheelchairs and such to actually make repairs on it. But in reality, due to circumstance, often I've had to teach myself how to do this. So this is what I'm going to talk about today. Now, the good news is both of these devices have brake cables on it that are, in fact, the same as bicycle brake cables, although the sleeves may be smaller. So what we found over the years was when brake cables will break fairly regularly. As a matter of fact, it's the one thing that goes wrong from time to time. So when I took it to the local bike shop, they were a little bit apprehensive, but I said, will you at least give it a try? And when I went back to pick up the chair, I found out that they said, yeah, this is just standard stuff, easy for us to do, we'll do it anytime. But I got to the point where I decided that I wanted to give it a go myself, and I'm not that experienced in doing brake cables, but I was able to do it myself. So the good news is you can buy this. The part that breaks is usually the wire. You can buy that at the local bike shop, which is good because if you have to buy from specialty stores, you'll have to pay probably 3 or 4 times more. So the other things that wear down, usually the wheels get worn down. You can see the rollator on the left has got some rough edges on it and so on. Usually by the time the wheels wear down, they are pretty much at the end of their life. I tend to keep one unit in the backyard, in the shed, as a backup for parts. So I hope that's helpful. Thanks.